How to shimmer items in Terraria. So first is find the shimmer pool itself. So it's located inside the Aether biome. So this is what it looks like on the map, a small pocket world with a shifting liquid-like pool at its center. So once you're standing here, simply toss any item you want into the shimmer to trigger a transformation. Some items turn into upgraded versions, some transform into entirely different items altogether, and some don't visibly change at all. So first one is a bottled water. If I toss it into the shimmer just like that, just wait for it. And as you can see, it changes back into the bottle right here. And let's try placing a life crystal and see what it does. Then it becomes a vital crystal just like that. And what it does is it permanently boosts life generation just like that. But there are many other items you can try. So let's say I want to do this with a torch. So I'll just throw the torch and wait for it to go back, and it becomes the Aether torch right here. You can also place within arrows, and it will become the shimmer arrow right there. So you can try and experiment with what items you want to drop, or you could also search it up. But that is how you essentially shimmer items in Terraria.